Aaron Ramsey's brief spell as interim head coach as Cardiff City came during a tough period for the club, who were already relegated to League One after a difficult championship season. Taking charge for the final 3 matches, Ramsey faced a daunting task as Cardiff struggled to close out their campaign on a positive note. Despite the challenges, his leadership helped show resilience, particularly in their last match against Norwich City, where they fought back after going 3-0 down and being reduced to 10 men early in the game. Although Cardiff ultimately lost 4-2, the team's spirited response reflected a renewed fighting spirit under Ramsey's guidance.
The way they've trained this week has been superb, and their attitude and their commitment has been second to none. So from what I've seen in that training session, it doesn't look like a team that's just been relegated.
The Welsh international midfielder, with a long and successful playing career, is relatively new to coaching, but has been steadily building his credentials, holding UEFA A and Elite Youth A licences, previously working with Cardiff's under-18 side before stepping up as interim manager. His transition from player to coach has been praised for its maturity and focus, and his time at Cardiff allowed him to gain valuable experience, managing a senior squad under difficult circumstances. While the club's future direction is still being decided, Ramsey has not ruled out pursuing the managerial role on a permanent basis. His ambition extends beyond club management, and he has expressed interest in one day managing the Wales national team. Support from former players and Welsh football community, including current Wales manager Craig Bellamy, indicates strong belief in his potential as a future coach. With Cardiff City preparing for life in League One, important decisions about leadership and rebuilding are imminent. Ramsey's blend of top-level playing experience and developing coaching skills makes him a compelling candidate to help the club navigate its next chapter, whether as a permanent manager or in a key coaching role.